Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to online classes. I am Fareeha Asghar, SS Computer at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. Students, this is computer lesson number 2 and we will continue chapter number 6, Basics of MS Small Basic. Students, before starting our today's lesson, I want to take some preview of the previous knowledge. Students, in your last lesson you have learned about operators. Operators are symbols used to perform certain tasks on variables and constants. Then students, you have learned about the types of operators. There are 3 types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators and logical operators. Students, an expression in a program combines operators and operands. The expression having arithmetic operators will result in a value, and the expression having comparison and logical operators will result in true or false value. Students, you have also learned about string concatenation. String concatenation means joining the strings together, and we use plus sign to join the strings together. You have also learnt about the comment statement. Students, comment statement is used in our program to explain different statements written in our program. These comment statements are not the part of program. कंपाइलर इसको रीड नहीं करता और ये स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो एग्जीक्यूट भी नहीं होती प्रोग्राम के अंदर, बट दीज कमेंट स्टेटमेंट्स आर जस्ट यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लेन योर प्रोग्राम. स्टूडेंट्स, आवर टुडेज लेसन इज अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, प्रॉपर्टी एंड मेथड्स इन स्मॉल बेसिक. व्हाट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट? एन ऑब्जेक्ट is the fundamental building block of small basic. It means that an object is the basic component of small basic. Students, text window is an object which is used in small basic. It is a common object used in small basic, and this is a window that displays the output of a program. Small basic has a number of such objects, and objects have both properties and methods. What is property? A property describes the object. Students, we can set the property of an object by a dot rule. We can write it as object name dot property name is equal to property value. Students, here object name is the object, property name is the property, and property value is the value that you want to assign to the property. To type a statement using an object and a method, we use this rule: object name dot method name, method inputs. Here object name is the object, method name is the method, and method inputs are the input data needed by the method to function. Students, we will read about property in 7th class in detail. Now we will discuss about method. What is method? A method is an action that an object can perform. In other words, we can say that it refers to the command that you give. For example, we use write and write line methods in small basic. As I told you earlier that text window is a common object used in small basic, and write line is a method used with this object to get the output in the output window. For example, text window dot write line learning small basic is fun. स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं दैट लर्निंग स्मॉल बेसिक इज फन इज रिटन इन डबल कोटेशंस एंड वी नो दैट व्हाट इज रिटन इन द डबल कोटेशन इज अ स्ट्रिंग. हमेशा हम स्ट्रिंग को ही डबल कोट्स के अंदर लिखते हैं और जब ये स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी देन दिस विल रिजल्ट इन लर्निंग स्मॉल बेसिक इज फन. इट मीन्स जब ये स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी तो इसका रिजल्ट जो है वो आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे क्या प्रिंट होगा, ये स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट हो जाएगी लर्निंग स्मॉल बेसिक इज फन. सिंपली ये स्ट्रिंग आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे प्रिंट हो जाएगी. स्टूडेंट्स, द राइट लाइन मेथड ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्ट्स अ न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू टू अ स्ट्रिंग फॉर आउटपुट. You can also combine text with a numeric value by using the concatenation operator with the write line method. Students, what is concatenation operator and which sign is used as concatenation operator? You have learned that we use plus sign as the concatenation operator. How we can concatenate a numeric value with a string in write line method? For example, total marks is equal to 350. Students, here total marks is a numeric variable. 350 is numeric constant in small basic, and here this equal sign is used as an assignment operator which is used to assign this value 350 to this numeric variable. When we write statement text window dot write line total marks is equal to, it is written in double quotes, so students it is a string, and here plus sign is used as concatenation operator. This total marks written here is the numeric variable which is written here on the screen. So students, when this small basic statement will be executed, then it results total marks is equal to 350. ये जो टोटल मार्क्स स्ट्रिंग हमने लिखी थी राइट लाइन मेथड के अंदर, ये टोटल मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट हो जाएगी ऑन द आउटपुट स्क्रीन, और इसके साथ ही ये जो टोटल मार्क्स न्यूमेरिक वेरिएबल था हमारे पास, इसकी वैल्यू 350 ये भी स्क्रीन पे आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे प्रिंट हो जाएगी. सो हमारी इस स्टेटमेंट की आउटपुट क्या होगी, total marks is equal to 350. Students, write line and write, these both methods are used to get output on the screen, but there is small difference between these two methods. Write line method after printing moves the pointer to the next line. It means जब हम अपनी स्टेटमेंट में राइट लाइन मेथड यूज करेंगे तो ये राइट लाइन मेथड हमारे आउटपुट प्रिंट करवाने के बाद पॉइंटर को नेक्स्ट लाइन पे मूव कर देगा. पॉइंटर या कर्सर जिसे हम कहते हैं उसको नेक्स्ट लाइन पे मूव करवा देगा. वेयर एज राइट मेथड जो है दैट आफ्टर प्रिंटिंग, राइट मेथड आफ्टर प्रिंटिंग मेक्स द पॉइंटर स्टे ऑन द सेम लाइन. जब हम राइट मेथड यूज करेंगे तो ये राइट मेथड हमारी आउटपुट को प्रिंट करवाने के बाद आफ्टर प्रिंटिंग को कर्सर स्टे करेगा ऑन द सेम लाइन. व्हाइल यूजिंग राइट मेथड यानी ये नेक्स्ट लाइन पे मूव नहीं करेगा. स्टूडेंट्स, टू रीड इनपुट फ्रॉम द यूजर, स्मॉल बेसिक हैज टू मेथड्स दैट कैन बी पेयर्ड विद द टेक्स्ट विंडो ऑब्जेक्ट. यूजर से इनपुट रीड करने के लिए भी स्मॉल बेसिक में 2 मेथड्स हैं जो कि टेक्स्ट विंडो ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ ही यूज होते हैं. वो कौन से मेथड हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज रीड नंबर. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस रीड नंबर मेथड अलाउज रीडिंग न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज. न्यूमेरिक इनपुट either it is in the form of integers or in the form of floating numbers. Students, as you know that integer are the whole numbers and floating numbers are the fractional values. So this read number method reads the numeric value either in the form of whole numbers or either in the form of fractional values. And it can be written as value returned is equal to text window dot read number. Other method is read. It allows reading string value as input. It means ये string value को read करेगा and it can be written as value returned is equal to text window dot read. So students, that's all about today's lesson. So students, in this lesson, first of all, you have learned about an object. An object is the fundamental building block of small basic, and text window is a common object that is used in small basic. It is a window that displays the output of a program. Objects have both properties and method. And a property is what? A property describes the object. And what is method? A method is an action that an object can perform. In other words, it refers to the command that you give. For example, write and writeLine are the methods which are used in small basic. These writeLine and write methods are used to print output on the screen. There are two other methods which we use in small basic. These two methods are used to read input from the user. These methods are read number. Read number method is used to read numeric values, and read method, it is used to read string value as an input. Now it's assignment time. Assignment number 1 is define the following: object, property and method. Number 2, what is the difference between writeLine and write methods? Thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.